Have you ever wondered why millions of people are watching YouTube videos of someone whispering? Welcome to the mesmerizing world of ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's a unique sensation, often described as a tingling feeling that begins in the scalp and trickles down the back of the neck. This intriguing experience has exploded in popularity, especially on YouTube, where millions seek out ASMR videos as a tool for relaxation and sleep aid. So, what's the science behind this strange yet intriguing phenomenon? Interestingly, ASMR isn't just a random internet fad. There's actually some science behind it. While research is still in the early stages, some fascinating insights are emerging. Studies suggest that ASMR may be linked to the release of brain chemicals such as endorphins, serotonin, and oxytocin. These chemicals are often associated with feelings of relaxation, stress relief, and even happiness. Imagine the blissful tranquility you feel after a good laugh or a warm hug. That's your brain releasing these feel-good chemicals. Now, not everyone experiences ASMR. It's a bit like cilantro. Some people love it, some people don't get it at all. But for those who do feel ASMR, it's a deeply soothing and restorative experience. It's like a mental massage, calming the mind and easing away stress. But why exactly has ASMR become such a cultural phenomenon? It seems that the popularity of ASMR lies in its ability to provide relaxation and comfort in our increasingly stressful world. These videos act as a soothing balm, helping viewers unwind, relax, and even sleep better. With a myriad of content, from whispers and soft speaking to tapping and crinkling sounds, there's something for everyone. The beauty of ASMR lies in its diversity, appealing to a wide range of tastes and preferences. So the next time you're feeling stressed, why not give ASMR a try? You might just find your new favorite relaxation technique.